In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted contacts in Salesforce. If a contact was removed by mistake, you can usually bring it back quickly using the built-in recycle bin. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few helpful tips so you know what to look for along the way. Start on your Salesforce home dashboard. From here, open the App Launcher. This is your central place to find apps and items in your org. If you don't see the App Launcher as a tab in your navigation bar, no problem. Use the pen icon in the top right to customize your nav bar and add the App Launcher so it's easy to access from home. Once it's there, open it. Inside the App Launcher, search for and select Recycle Bin. This page is where Salesforce keeps records that were deleted, including contacts. When the Recycle Bin opens, you'll see a list of deleted items. The table typically shows key details like the record name, when it was deleted, and who deleted it. This is useful if you're not sure which version you need, or if you're working with a team and want to confirm the change history. Scan the list to locate the contact you want to recover. If you have a lot of deleted records, use the column headers to sort by name or deleted date to narrow things down faster. You can also skim the deleted by column to make sure you're looking at the right record, especially if multiple contacts share similar names. Once you've found the correct deleted contact, look for the small caret icon to the right of that row. Click the caret to open the action menu and choose Restore. Salesforce will restore the contact to its original place, including its core details, so you can pick up right where you left off. If the contact reappears with the same name as an existing one, don't worry. You can open the restored record and confirm the details to avoid confusion. You've now successfully brought back a deleted contact from the recycle bin. If you don't immediately see it in your recent items, navigate to your Contacts tab or search for the name to confirm it's back. And there you go. Your contact is restored and ready to use again. That's all. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently recover deleted contacts in Salesforce.